to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So let's get started. Firstly, launch Cash App and you can get it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you don't have it. Then all you have to do is tap on the Money tab. It looks like a bank building or a balance if you have any. Then select the Bitcoin option available from there. Now tap the Send or Receive button. It looks like an arrow. Now simply pick Send Bitcoin option available there. Now select how much Bitcoin you want to send. You can switch between dollars or Bitcoin. There is a minimum limit of 0.00005 BTC or 0.0001 for standard speed transfers. Then tap on the Send option available there. Now enter the Bitcoin address you want to send to and select it. It will look like a long set of numbers and letters, and again make sure this address is correct. When your address is correct, hit next option available there. Now all you have to do is pick between priority rush or standard withdrawal speeds. The fee will vary. If you choose standard, it is free but takes 24 hours. It is also free if you are using a Lightning Network address. The Lightning option will show up if in that case, and simply tap on the next option available there. Now, all you have to do is verify the transaction details, then tap on Confirm and Send option available there. Enter your cash PIN. This is the last step before your BTC is sent. Only enter the PIN if you are absolutely sure of this transaction, then there is no going back. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.